This is a setup of a 3-phase water boiler. So this water boiler has 6 heaters, as you see. It is supplied water by a motor. This is where the motor takes the water from. So it supplies the boiler, and the water is heated by these 6 heaters. So after heating, it shows you it has a pressure gauge here. When the pressure is high, then you open this to supply the vapor to the machines that dry the clothes. This is one machine, 2 and 3, and the same vapor is used with this pressure press. 2 of them. The other one uses its own boiler. It is supplied by the 3-phase, as you clearly see. It is supplied by the 3-phase, and the cable has to be 35 millimeters squared. So the external 35 millimeters squared, and the excess comes out from here. So that is how we set up this water boiler to supply vapor to the machines in the laundry shop. Thank you.